Hello, I wanna cook tinolang manok for our lunch. And here, the manok, and then the spinach, and then sayote, and then I wanna start cook now. Do this first, sibuyas at luya. Ginigisa. Next is chicken. Pagluto na yung sibuyas at luya. Ganyan muna. See, and then wait for how many minutes bago ko maglagay ng sabaw. Pag medyo luto na yung manok, nagisa na ng konti, tsaka lagyan ng sabaw. Habang nilagyan ko na rin ng sabaw, nilagyan ko na rin ng asin. Maghintay naman ng mga 30 to 45 minutes para lalambot maigi yung manok. See you later. After 30 or 45 minutes, lagay ko na yung sayote. After how many minutes na luto na yung sayote, lagay yung sibuyas dahon. Pag luto na yung sibuyas dahon, ilagay na yung spinach. Pakuluin lang ng konti and then wait a minute. Ito na yung lunch namin, oh. Lunch. Oh. Ayun, the lunch. Kain tayo. Ito yung lunch namin, tinulang manok. Ito lang, tapos nagkakape ng tanghali. Yung isa, sinasabunutan. Okay, thank you. See? Still hot. Usog mo doon. Thank you, all of you. Please support my reels or video, whatever. Thank you, all of you guys. Have a good day, a good night, good afternoon. Thank you so much for our lunch chicken tinola and Inday.